Hello guys, welcome back. So last video we talked about comparing numbers that were double digit, 2 digits. So today we're going to move it a little bit forward with our 3-digit numbers up to 120 because we know those very well. And we are still going to use our greater than, less than, and equal signs. We're just taking it a little further. And we are going to go over the Symbaloo, which is posted on the classroom website. It has some awesome resources and worksheets for you guys. So let's move forward. I'm just going to do a couple of these problems, ones that I think you guys are going to have issues with. 69 and 96, this number 3 right here. It's tricky. This is tricky. You get your numbers swapped. So what I have found helps is count by the highest number that you can get into that. So we know there's no hundreds here, but there are tens. So if we count by tens up to 100, we can see which 10 group is larger. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So our 60 is going to be less than our 90. So that's a super easy way to know that your alligator is going to eat your 96 and your arrow is pointing to your 69, okay? Down here, let's jump down here. You cannot do it by tens here because your 10 value is the same. You have 11 and 10, they're both 10. So this is a smaller number. You can count. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So most of us know already before counting, but if you need to count, that's fine. 10 is less than 11. 11 is greater than 10 if we read it from left to right. So the alligator is going to eat the 11. Okay, now down here, this one is also tricky. If you see this number 7 right here, it is tricky. When you see these on the exam, hint, we need to pay attention and we need to make sure that all the numbers are the same. So look at your values. Your 100s are both 1. Your 10s are both 10, they're both 1. And your 1s are both 0 because it's 110, 110. So what's your answer going to be? Equal. They are equal. So let's move forward to some questions that I hope answers, some answers that I hope answers your questions. Just a few that I've came up with. So what if one number looks bigger and I have 8 and 1? So 8 does look bigger than 1, right? So here we have 18. It has the 1 and the 8. So if this was a problem, which would be bigger? It's not because your number looks bigger. I know it does, but just for practice, let's go down here. And let's do, what if you had 8 and 3? These are so similar, guys. You have to double check yourself on these. The 3 does not make its complete circles in the 8 like the 8 does. So your 8 is bigger, okay? So what about similar numbers? Let's go back up to number 6 here, right here. 111 and 113. They are similar. They have the same 100 place value. They have the same 10 place value, but they don't have the same 1 place value. So look at that. If you get confused and you don't want to count, look at your place values and count to your smaller numbers like that. And you will know that 3 is bigger than 1. So the alligator is going to eat the 3. It's going to eat 113, okay? Let's see. Okay, now these numbers do get large. You're going to see on your exam, you might see this. Okay, so let's do our hundreds and tens place values. Hundreds are the same, 1 and 1. Tens, 2 and 1. So this number is going to be bigger. So the alligator is going to eat that. Okay? Now, real quick, if we hop over to the classroom website, the Symbaloo is posted there. It has 5 different worksheets up here that you can print out at home and practice. You can practice online. You have your Mrs. Alligator YouTube video over here. And this ABC Yeah is a really fun game that I think you guys will love. Okay, next time is going to be the exam. So let's prepare, okay? Bye.